Hello everyone, welcome back to Empty Craft Zone. Yes, you can finish your sketchbook in just 2 days. I'm going to complete this challenge in front of the camera. This is the part 2, but the day 1 of the previous video. So here I'm using my watercolors to complete the sketch of Megamind. Just like its original movie, I wanted to give this page some dark whites. Like you can say some dark cloudy themes or something like that. So by using my blue and black watercolors, I am finishing the incomplete drawing from my old sketchbook. And our Megamind is about to complete. Let's color the eyebrows darker, the eyes green, and also I wanted to add some gold paint in the eye. And you can see the final results. Now I am darkening the lines with a black pointer because it was a sketch of a pencil. To make it more prominent, I am also adding dark lines to the ears and making the details of the ear. Ta-da! Hello everyone, I am ready now. Now let's just paste this cool sketch in the sketchbook. I'm using white glue to paste it. I'm pasting it in the middle of the page because I wanted to draw something dark, or you can say some cloudy things around him. So here we will mix black and blue watercolors to create this dark vibe. Now it's looking like a rainy day to me. What you guys think about this page? Let me know in the comments if you love Megamind like me. And we're about to finish this page. Yes, of course, it's giving some cloudy vibes and rainy vibes. It's looking beautiful. I have added blue color in the background because the main color of Megamind is blue, even its body is blue. Just add random circles, random lines, and you will get such an amazing art in the end. His body, his skin color is blue, and if you have watched the movie like me several times, you can see how the animation really looks dark and there is nothing light in the movie. Like he was a villain and a hero at the same time, but we can say that this movie was so good for children and it really reminds me of my childhood. I'm using this golden paint to add more shine, and also I'm adding some cute stars or some shiny sparkles to the page as well. And yes, I've completed this page. I think it's looking so beautiful and it is so shiny as well because of the golden paint, and I have also added some golden paint in the eyes of the Megamind. Now this page is one of my most favorite pages of this sketchbook. What do you think about this one? Let me know in the comments. And you can see the final results. I hope the camera can show you the details of the page. My god, it's like he's staring at me. So this one is done. Let's move towards the next one. So to sketch a body, I'm drawing patterns like this on the paper. For the face, for the arms, and for the legs, obviously. I know I'm not so perfect in sketching bodies, but let's just make the process easy and fun for us. This is how we'll run and become perfect one day. So let's just you can use any pencils. I'm adding lines and shades with a blue color of mine because these lines are the ones that are going to be erased. So it's not necessary to focus on the color of these lines. And as in the end, I'm going to knead the sketch with my black pointer. So that's why the color of these lines is not necessary. You can use blue, black, pink, or any other color or pencil you have. Let's just try and let's see what type of girl we get in the end. Oh my god, her eyes are so beautiful, but I think that I messed up the lips. But that's okay, it's a sketchbook and it's a fun and easy process. We can make what we want, we can make what we love. There are no rules for any art. You can see, I'm just speeding up the video so that you guys won't get bored or something. And now we are done with this page. This is the original sketch that I wanted to make for the video, but unfortunately, at that time I was not recording the video. So let's just cover this page with the red paper and also with these printables, as the black printables look so good here. My hand-drawn sketch is also looking pretty there, so let's just paste them And I'm using this red and golden paint to cover the area that is left. You can use any color, but I think that this page is giving some red and black theme, so that's why I'm using my red and gold paint. Well, this is one of my handmade paints. I will try to upload a tutorial on these one, how to make your own paints at home. And now we are done with that page also. Let's move towards the next one. So for this page, I'm using these handmade highlighters of mine. I have already uploaded a video on them. All tutorials are there on my channel. So I'm using this orange highlighter to make the lines. So I'm also going to draw something in this page. Can you guys guess? Yes, I'm drawing flowers, and these flowers are inspired by some of my, you can say that I have made some stickers type drawings for journaling, and they were looking so beautiful. That's why I have decided to add these designs of flowers in my sketchbook also. Now after drawing the leaves, I'm just erasing the sketch of the pencil, and now I'm doing shading, but I think that these shades will look so beautiful with dark black color. It's not that much dark, but let's just try to give shades with this one. Yes, I'm trying to highlight the areas like petals, corners of the leaves, and we're done with the shading. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm using a tape roll to make a circle, and then I'm going to fill this circle with my yellow marker. You can use any color, but I think that this yellow will turn out to be so good. And we're done with this page too. I have made another flowers like this one, but the difference is that these are colorful and the other ones are in sketching black and white theme. And now I am filling the space with 3 types of different colors, because this type of circle also looks cute on the background. And also I am adding this green color, and with the help of my green watercolors I am making some grasses by using this grass brush. You can make the same grass for the other page also. These 2 pages are giving such a decent vibes. If you guys love them, let me know in the comments. So for the next page, I have made some background to save time of the video. And to ensure that the video won't get too long, I have made one tree, and now I'm creating the other one in front of the camera as a tutorial guide for you guys. I have used my green and golden paint as in the background. I wanted to give this page some evening type vibes. And now I have drawn crosses, and we're done with this page too. So guys, it's the end of the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. I will try my best to upload the part 3 as soon as possible for you guys. So stay connected for part 3. Thank you so much for watching. I love each and every one of you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.